Yes, I'm making a brown trout. I've got the patterns here. It's going to be a swim bait. I've got some really light wood. I just need to cut a slither out on the bandsaw that I can glue the patterns to, and then I'll cut the shape out and I'll show you how to do it. I will now take it over to the bandsaw and cut the rough shape out. Alright, so I've cut it on the bandsaw. Now I just need to sand it to make it all smooth, and then I'll move on to the carve-in. So now that's all sanded, I'm going to put the tapers in. See the one here and the one there. And I'll cut them out using a hacksaw, and then I will sand them down so they're nice and smooth using the belt sander. That's all cut out now, it's all very smooth. So now I just need to knock the edges off and round them over to make them nice and round. So now I'm going to use these calipers, and then I'm going to score some markings in the side, and then cut the sides off using this utility knife. So it's all sanded, all smooth, feels great. So now all I need to do is drill some holes for the weight. And then fill it up with some lead. I also need to cut a hole for the tail and cut the tail out. And then I can add all the hardware. Now I cut it in half on a 45-degree angle. I just need to clean up the inside so it doesn't have all the cut marks on it. And then I can start installing the hardware. I have a 2mm drill bit, and I'll be using that for drilling the holes for the hook keep, the line tie, and while I'm at it I'll also be using it to drill the holes for the pieces of wire that will join the two pieces of the lure together. Alright, all those holes are in, and now I'm going to start gluing in the hook keeps and line ties. So all the eyelets and hook hangers are all glued in. The middle pieces, those ones there, they're just sitting in there. I'll glue them in after I've painted it and after I have put epoxy on it. It's all primed, it's all got super glue all over it, the eyes have been drilled out. Now it's time to go and get it painted. All the pieces have now been painted. I've glued some eyes in as well. And now it's time to put the epoxy clear coat on. And that's a completed lure. I've put some resin on it. I've super glued the hook keeps in. And it's all finished. And now I'm just going to go and give it a swim test.